All right, welcome back all my crypto enthusiasts to this crypto and blockchain updates. I'm Santosh Surendran, Director Analytics, Balamont Analytica Incorporated. Crypto data shown in this video is based on Monday, 15th November 2021. Mobile phone viewers try to view this video in landscape mode for better data readability. We select only currencies with a market cap that has an impact on the market. Let's start the update with the highlights of the day. Price statistic, top 3 currencies, top gainer and loser, Indian crypto news. Let's proceed with the first session of this update. Price statistics, top 3 currencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum and Binance Coin are the top currencies. Let's see the detailed statistic. Prices: Bitcoin 64,652.74 US dollars, Ethereum 4,587.42 US dollars, Binance 648 US dollars. Market dominance: Bitcoin 43.23%, Ethereum 19.24%, Binance 3.84%. Market cap: Bitcoin 1.22 trillion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's market cap of 2.460 trillion US dollars. Ethereum 540.87 billion US dollars. Binance 107.95 billion US dollars. Trading volume: Bitcoin 24.33 billion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's trading volume of 149.99 million US dollars. Ethereum 11.80 billion US dollars. Binance 2.07 billion US dollars. Let's proceed to the next session of the update. Top gainer and loser. Top gainer: Litecoin is the top gainer with a 5.93% increase in the previous day. Price 272.82 US dollars. Market dominance 0.67%. Top loser: Algorand is the top loser with a 6.20% decrease in the previous day. Price 1.96 US dollars. Market dominance 0.44%. Let's proceed to the last session of this update, Indian crypto news. As per Asianet News report on 13th November 2021, Prime Minister Modi chaired a crucial meeting on cryptocurrency. This meeting was conducted with the agenda on uncontrolled crypto trades. The meeting also discussed possible and reported misuses of crypto trades in India due to the lack of regulations. The key points discussed are: ban on advertisements offering big returns from crypto investments, control on unaccounted money conversion to crypto investments and tax evasion, increased incidence of terror funding through cryptocurrency. My opinion on this news: this meeting was a relevant one as India is becoming the biggest crypto markets in the world, and the government is committed to give legal clarity and rules to prevent potential misuses of crypto trades. Disclaimer: read full disclaimer document carefully before making investment decisions. Courtesy: data coinmarketcap.com and finance.yahoo.com. Video footages ydc.com. Follow Balamont Analytica Incorporated for updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain. That's all in this update. Have a great time ahead.